This is fail number 3, I think, for this Octember. The windmill broke. Apparently it was very windy last night. We're getting readings of, I think 18 miles per hour was the peak, but that's at ground level. It's much, much higher than that, up in the trees or on top of the house. And so I guess at some point during the night, the gusts really picked up and the windmill blew over while it was running, and 2 of the blades broke and the fin got all bent, and this is all misshapen now. So yeah, I'm really disappointed about this because I've had this for a very long time and I thought it looked really nice over there in the corner of the yard. I think I should be able to fix it though. This metal is pretty flexible, so I should be able to bend it back and maybe able to, maybe even solder might work, you know, because it doesn't need a very strong bond because it's already being kind of held in place by the by that ring. So we'll see. If not, I'll have to get it welded back. It's really disappointing, but I think at least it'll be able to be salvaged.